Today, we're diving headfirst into one of Berlin's most iconic gems, the East Side Gallery. Think of it not just as a wall, but as a canvas brimming with stories of resilience and creativity.
Oh wow, a canvas. Like, how many murals are we talking about? I mean, that sounds like a massive art exhibition.
Exactly. We're looking at over 100 vibrant murals across a 1.3-kilometer stretch of the Berlin Wall, with artists from all corners of the globe contributing. It's wild, right?
Whoa, 100? That's epic. But, when's the best time to visit? If it's that popular, I'd imagine it's super crowded, huh?
You hit the nail on the head. Crowds can be quite hefty, especially in the peak season, which runs from June through August. I'd recommend showing up early, like around 6 a.m. Picture this. You stroll along, sun rising, and it feels like a personal art gallery.
Oh my god, I love that. But, if I get up that early, will I be totally wrecked for the day? And do the murals really pop in that morning light?
Trust me, yes. That early light offers this soft golden glow. It's stunning. Plus, less hustle and bustle means a more intimate experience with the art.
Peaceful art strolls. But, what if I can't wake up early? Can I still enjoy it later? Like at sunset? That sounds magical.
Absolutely. Late evenings after 7 p.m. can also offer a serene atmosphere, especially as the sun sets and bathes everything in a warm glow.
Late evenings? I bet the pictures during sunset look amazing. But, when should I avoid going to dodge the crowd like it's some horror movie?
Great question. Weekends are a no-go, particularly from 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. when it's like a tourist stampede. Imagine a mosh pit, but instead of music, it's art.
A mosh pit of murals? That sounds chaotic. But, what about during the week or weekdays? Are they a better option?
Yes! Weekdays, especially Monday through Thursday, are prime time because the throngs of tourists drastically decrease. It's like having the gallery to yourself.
Nice. Solitude with art sounds like a dream. But, do people really pack in during peak season? Like, am I gonna have to shove through the crowd to see anything?
Oh, absolutely. Peak times, especially between 11 a.m. and 4 p.m., can feel like navigating through a bustling maze. A pro tip? Start your adventure at the Ostbahnhof end. It's like finding a hidden path to tranquility amidst the chaos.
That is such a clever hack. I love it. But, I've also heard it can rain in Berlin. Does that actually help with the crowds, or what?
Spot on. Rainy days can keep the tourists at bay, and they offer unique reflections in puddles for photos. Plus, let's be honest, art tends to have this cool vibe during a drizzle.
Whoa, I never thought of that. So, any tips for capturing Insta-worthy shots when I get there?
For sure, patience is vital. Take your time, wait for those moments when groups clear out, and don't hesitate to zoom in on the intricate details of the murals. Experimenting with angles can really highlight the artistic flair you'll find here.
Angles, got it. So, should I plan my whole day around this, or is there stuff to check out nearby too?
Definitely both. The East Side Gallery is ideally located. You can stroll along the Spree River, drop by the historical Friedrichshain neighborhoods, and even check out the Berlin Wall Memorial. It's all about savoring your time and maximizing the experience.
Wow, you've made it sound like an art adventure for sure. Any last words of wisdom for us curious explorers out there?
Just remember, visit during the weekdays, explore early or late in the day, and savor every mural like it's a delicious piece of cake. Following these tips will undoubtedly enhance your experience at the East Side Gallery. Enjoy the journey.
Thanks. I'm all pumped for this adventure now.